How to fix this Facebook account is not eligible for setup on Shopify. Before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, make sure you check out the pinned comment. And now we can begin. The first reason why you might be getting this error is because Facebook Shops doesn't match your markets on Shopify. How can we fix it? You want to load up Shopify, click on markets here from the left hand side and create a market which matches your Facebook Shops region. You can create a market here depending on whichever region you have your Facebook shop set to, and this should fix the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing that we can do is open up the Shopify search bar and just search for Facebook. And here we will get the Facebook and Instagram or Meta application. We just want to click on install, and basically right here when you get to the connection or the setup page, you want to make sure you are logged into the correct Facebook page, which is your business page. Make sure you are not logged into your personal page. If you still don't have, or if you still experience issues, you can re-authenticate your connection by disconnecting your Facebook shop from Shopify and then re-authenticating it from within the Facebook and Instagram application, and that should fix it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.